Today we have Carly Ebenstein, a dear friend of mine who I often consult with, and she has so much wisdom. So I'm really excited to present to you guys Carly and for you guys to get to know her. So, Carly, I have a few questions for you.
Sure.
So, often homeowners go through these process, and home improvement can be stressful. How do you advise people to go through the process of, preparing themselves emotionally
Yeah.
to embark this massive project, both financial investment and emotional investment for them?
Well, as you can imagine, there are many steps. And most people get carried away with the end project of how beautiful their project's going to be at the end and how much they're going to be enjoying themselves. But we have to take ourselves back to basics and to really communicate with their family and anyone else that's involved in the project, the family and the professionals that they're dealing with. That may mean being prepared to have some difficult conversations. And that may mean also going back a step before that to even set expectations with family and professionals that, hey, we're probably going to have some difficult conversations down the road. Name it. That creates a atmosphere of open communication that also makes it easier for other people to communicate with you and hopefully mitigate some of those stressful situations.
That's good. I hope you guys take this, because that's one of those critical pieces you need to be mindful about and understanding and intentionally about preparing for that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Carly. I know you are super busy, and we look forward to continue to have another conversation soon.
Thank you, Grace. Always a pleasure.
Thank you. Bye, everyone. We look forward to seeing you next episode. Talk to you soon.
Take care.